Hello, hello everyone. Mega love shoutout sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-tune in sa aking channel. Ayan. Enjoy po tayo sa ating cover song for today. Okay. Sige lang ng sige. Try natin. Salamat sa mga pumasok dyan na mga gustong makinig sa aking mga kanta. Sana magstay kayo dyan ha. Huwag po kayong umalis. Okay. Enjoy. My Love Will See You Through by Marcos Lozano. And now my own version. Helen in Germany, the singing bird. Na walang bird. Okay. Hindi po ako kagaya ng mga singer. It's my own version. Okay? So enjoy. When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Kakanta po ako, mababae o lalaki. Wala po akong pipilian. Basta nag-enjoy ako. Hold on. For my love will keep you warm through the cold this night, through the rain, through the storm. When they turn their backs on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out. I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is know that I'll be there. When your road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on.